All right, hello everybody and welcome. This is Revo to Max. I'm doing this video in relation to adding a POE camera to a POE NVR and picking it up on another NVR, either POE or not. But currently what we have and what's in the screen, in the main part of the screen, is my 4216. We're going to bring up and show that my 1046E AI camera is currently working. We're going to make this, whoops, one screen. All right. So this is currently connected, which is not showing, but it is connected. And I can show you that through management, camera, and you can see right here there's no trash can because this is connected to port 6. This is the only one that I have connected right now in this fashion for this video. So port 6, 170, no trash can to delete it, and it's currently connected. You see that here in live view. We have our line. Now, down here in the bottom of the screen on the right hand side, you see that black screen. What's going to happen now is I'm going to disconnect the 1046 EW AI camera. It will fall out by saying that there's no resources. Going to connect to the 4108 down here in the bottom. Okay, this is older firmware. This is a 4108E, not the HS, so this one does not have the 4.0 software in it. We're going to go ahead and turn off that camera up there since it's no longer available. Now, looking at this, for whatever reason, it's taking its sweet time. Hopefully it works as it should. And there it is. So, what do we have? We have that same camera. However, we no longer have the line over here. And that's because this is a non AI NVR. This is just a normal 4108E. You can see up here in the corner, it is showing, I'm having a glitch with my capture software. I apologize for the funky glitch. That is nothing wrong with the NVR. That's my computer software. All right. Hopefully it doesn't do that anymore. So, see that full screen. Interesting. Actually, hopefully it didn't just crash, because I no longer see my mouse. I'll give it a second here. Let me see what happens if I... Nope. Okay. Give me a second to delete that, bring it back. Hopefully that comes back. Give me a second. Remove. Add. Okay. So you can see down here, 1046. Down here, the 1046 EWAI. All right. We're going to push this back where it was. All right. So, pulling it into the 4216. And what we're going to do is I've already set up that channel right here. The 1046 EWAI. And here's what's crazy. Okay? The rules there. I don't know how that's possible, but you can clearly see the rule is there. And it is able to do that, pulling it through channel 1 of the NVR. Now, here's what we're going to do, because you can see on the actual, okay, let me see what happens if we go camera, scroll down to 14. Now, mind you, this needs to refresh. You'll see that that's no longer there. See, 6 is gone. We are connected here. NVR. This is an NVR. Okay. This is the one we're connected at. You can see that right here. Live 14. And it takes a little bit sometimes. Give it a second. There we go. Now, why it's so slow, I'm not 100% sure. I'm thinking because it's actually bringing in the rules. But, yeah, that. Now, here's what we're going to do. You know, you see the flag moving in the back. See the flag moving in the back. Okay. So, everybody, so they realize that this is what it is, right? I'm going to disconnect the camera from the NVR. Okay. Hold on. Let that go. All right. Disconnect it from the NVR. And now you see it actually dropped out. And we get that same failed to enable the video on that channel 1. Now, we go back into the list. Let's close this for a minute. Close this for a minute. Give it a second to come back up. Not there yet. Give me a second. All right. And here we are. And to show you this channel over here, okay, this is channel 1. It's empty because there's nothing there right now. And that's because, where was it? Oh, yeah. Sorry. Had a blonde moment. That's because it is still connected, okay? Down here, channel 14, right? Still connected. But now it's no longer saying what it is because, well, it's no longer there. It's still connected. It's still got a good status, but it's no longer there because channel 1's missing. Now, the one thing that is missing from this is it's only able to pull in that one channel. So this particular one, normally there would be a connect here. You click that, then you're able to, you know, like here, I'll show you on the XVR. So if we click this one, okay, we hit setup. No. Oh, that's right. You have to do it from the actual NVR itself, or yeah, the inside the NVR, not from the web UI. That's right. So let me look real quick inside of the NVR, because I'm thinking I should be able to pull in more. And if that's the case, I'll show you. Yes, okay. All right, so let me switch. Switching the video capture over to my NVR real quick. All right, now if we look, let me blow this up, make it bigger. Okay, now if we look here, channel 1, which is the one we're on, okay, 10.0.0.224, we hit connect. We go down here. We now can do 1 through 8. So anything that is connected on any of these channels, I would be able to pull in through this right here. And that is how you do an NVR, POE NVR at that, to an NVR, either POE or non-POE, as long as it has a 0 channel, which my 4108 does. I am able to pull it in like that. All right, till next time, thanks for watching. This is Freeman Max.